Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room show, and I'm excited. I finally made 12,000 subscribers. Finally, took me 6 months to get from 11,000 to 12,000. One of the things that happens is some people will just drop off of YouTube, or if I think there's some kind of algorithm where if you're not active on YouTube, they drop you or something like that. I'm not sure. But so my number of subscribers fluctuates. It goes up and down, up and down. And I've had, according to this, 75 total Delta new subscribers in the last 28 days. So that pushed me over the top. One other thing I've mentioned before, and I should mention it again, is comments. I really appreciate comments and emails. The one thing that happens is if you leave a comment that YouTube accepts, and they've got some criteria about accepting comments automatically, I will get a notification about the comment, and then I try to reply within the next hour or two. But if your comment is flagged for some reason, like you got a link in it by YouTube, I don't get a notification about those. They're available, but I have to go look for them. And then I have to read them, and I have to accept them or delete them. So sometimes I forget to do that, and you may have a comment that sits there for 3 or 4 weeks before I go, oh gosh, I gotta check the rejected comments, and then I finally get to it. So I apologize for that, and I appreciate comments. I appreciate all you guys subscribing to my channel. I appreciate the sellers that provide me radios and other gadgets to show you on my channel. So far, things are improving for a change. You know, we have this virus thing going on. Everybody's kind of depressed. Myself, I'm in lockdown. I have other medical issues, so I don't dare catch the virus. I probably wouldn't last 24 hours if I caught the virus. So I've been in lockdown, and that's probably why you're seeing more videos from me. Okay, that's it. Thanks again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.